The media loves authors. It is the fastest, easiest way to get media exposure. They're actually one and the same. So when I say a book, I don't mean a 20-page pamphlet, because you are establishing your credibility and authority. You're raising your visibility. And when you reverse engineer from your high ticket offer and your book, the chapters of your book are the steps that your ideal client needs to take to make it a no-brainer for them to continue to work with you to get the result, to drive to that high ticket offer, then you're actually just writing one book. The content is the same, and that would be up to a formatter, or there are programs out there that are free or low cost that can convert it, but it's the same content. And so you're going to have it in a print version, and it'll be offered in an ebook. So both. Super easy. And when you have both, there's something that the media loves authors. It is the fastest, easiest way to get media exposure. They will interview you for your book. They will interview you when you have that physical copy to hold up. So the print book is super important for being able to speak from a stage. If you are speaking on a stage and you have your physical books, you can sell them from the back of the room. They can be included as part of a VIP meet and greet, a luncheon, anything like that. You can give them away in the swag bags. There's a lot that you can do to, again, increase your visibility and get your message, your offer, your business in front of more of your ideal clients, so that they get to know, like, and trust you, they connect with you, they work with you, they buy your products and services and your high ticket offer. You can take one point, one paragraph, one topic. So when you have your chapters, and your chapters are the different steps that your ideal client is going to take on the journey to work with you. And within each chapter, the content covers the biggest questions that they would have, the information that they need to know most, the objections that they would have, and it's weaving in your experience. Then it makes it nice and easy to pull out one question. And that becomes your social media content for the day, or one objection, and that becomes the focus of your newsletter. So you can actually just pull out a paragraph, 2 paragraphs from your book manuscript and repurpose that for the blogs, the newsletters, the social media content. Consistency is key. So I would say at least once a week, you want something going out to your audience. Now you can vary that. So once a week, you could have a newsletter or a blog. And then of course, you can have your social media content. So maybe once or twice a week within your social media posting schedule, you are seeding your business. You're talking about one point from your book, a question that people would have about the topic, an objection they would have. And that way you've got a nice consistent through line in your messaging, in your book, in your business, in your high ticket offer, in your events. They all work seamlessly together. Yes and no. That is an amazing thing. You would love to have it all work together. So if there is a domain, if you're married to your title, if your everything in you is like, this is my book title and it has to be this title, because this title is the through line of your message, it's the through line of your business, it's just everything there is for you, then you need to find a way to get a domain that would tie into that. If you're not married to your title, then absolutely, because you're reverse engineering your book from that high ticket offer, from your business, from your brand, then you want it to be consistent. So if there's any way that you can grab a domain that aligns with everything, that is the name of the program you want to have, is the name of the brand you're building, is the name of the offer that you are launching, then definitely grab it. Now, if that domain, another little hack, if that domain is available and you buy the domain, because it's going to be you're strategic about it because it's going to be your program, because it's going to be your business and your brand. You want to grab two versions of that domain. One is just the domain, maybe it's build your book. And then the second version of the domain is the same domain with the word book added to it. So it would be buildyourbrand.com, buildyourbrandbook.com. You want to grab both versions because that way you have the flexibility as your brand grows, as your business grows, as your program grows, that you have a separate domain that you can redirect just to your book.